Hey, hi, hello. This is Dilip from Sunday Hero. We'll show the platform of WhatsApp sign and run campaigns. First of all, we need to log into WhatsApp to the WhatsApp panel. And here we will enter our username and password and click on the login button. As you can see here, the platform looks like this. You have options like send SMS now on WhatsApp. As you can see here, the dashboards, inbox, broadcast, and template sections are all clearly divided. And also, to launch any WhatsApp campaign, we first need to create templates. Once the template is created, we can run WhatsApp campaigns. For that, we can choose the template section. As you can see here, all the already existing templates will be available. You can see the templates that have already been created here. And also, one thing to be clear about is that even our status must be approved. Only then will we be able to run our campaign. As you can see here, it shows send failed. It can be run only if the status is approved. We can deliver the campaign. Otherwise, as you can see here, we can. If you click on action, you'll see a preview. This is how the template section will look. If you select the image icon, you can enter an image here. And so this is the message and this is a call to action button. And for new creation, you can click on the add template section. And here you can give a name. For example, to understand the demo, I will choose demo template. And here I am selecting the template category as marketing for promotional messages. Here select the language as English, template type as standard. Standard means you will get only the message. Whatever it may be. Let's look at media and interactive here, then you'll see the header section. In that, notice there are options like text, image, document, video, and character. We can add any type we want. For example, if you want to choose an image, just select the image icon. Just click an order, minus. See, the image has appeared here. Now we're running this campaign. So first of all, happy Diwali to you. And look here, happy Diwali TV match. Even we can run it like this. And also, if you want to add more buttons, we're adding buttons here. See, they've given 10 quick reply buttons here. Visit website and also call phone number, etc. Now, for your understanding, let's do this company for just 1 year. So if you want to create a website, that too can be done through our WhatsApp bot. So add any here and also enter the button name. So now take a look. The preview will appear in this format. If anyone clicks on these buttons again, WhatsApp will give access to our panel. So here this is the template. You understand, right? Everything is clear. And now if we click on create, this campaign will move to the status of running. That means Meta has to approve it. If the approval fails, after some time Meta will notify us. You can see it here. The preview will show how it looks, an image and a message with a button. Here we have the broadcast cost, right? Right there. When we run campaigns, there's the campaign section, and here you can manage your contacts for news. You have to listen to the channel news. Here your WhatsApp business name will be displayed. Any user can add themselves to it for using, and also there's a report section to get that report. There are also chat boards. Chat boards mean you can create any automation you want. At the top, anyone can enter that name, like I want to join this message. And also in billings and subscription, you can clearly see how much amount has been deducted, how much credit you received, and how much has been debited. Look, right now we're looking at the template section, right? Let's go to the campaign section to run that, and here I will enter that demo. Something standard. I need to select here. We have marketing and demo 888, right? Let's select that. So to show how the campaign works, we can add a new template here. We can also download the template file with the numbers here. Enter seats. We can add here if needed the entire bulk, so the whole bulk. As we can see here, we can add numbers here if you want to send in bulk at once, or else if we select contacts, here we can send to the groups we already have or send contacts one by one. We can add here. So now it also gives us a sample sheet there to show what type of Excel sheets you need. Now for your understanding, I will send a contact here, Dilip Manan. Yeah, okay. Here, after selecting, do you see here? It says one contact selected, one valid mobile number, and click. If you do that there, go ahead and do it. Diwali. Sometimes post completed section. If you do it here, then we can add contacts. Now, how are the only standard company dynamic campaigns that we run? That is, they go like your personal message. Here, look near send dynamic. In this type, in this place, whichever company or else your client, it will go in that type. Let's look at the Abhiman campaign section. It's in progress. How should we create templates? Just now I have taught you how to run a standard campaign like that. After some time, I will. Yeah. You can see completed here the total maximum we have sent to one person, and also now that message has been sent. Even after it is delivered, once it is read, you will get clear data here showing that it has been read. In the report section, if you want more reports, you can also download the report and check the download status. In this type, we can create a standard campaign, like how to send the same type of message to everyone. And also now I will teach you about dynamic campaign. Now let's look at the dynamic campaign launch. For example, here we click on the template and select what we want. I'm entering demo dynamic here. In the template category, you select the appropriate one. Since it's for marketing, I choose marketing, same as in English. Now for the template, select standard media as interactive. Here in the header, you need to add whether it's an image, a video, or a document. For example, an image, or else a message. Happy Diwali to here. You can enter your company name, meaning your client or their company or anything else you want to add. It will appear in this place. To make it more personal, after Happy Diwali to, leave a space and add a variable. This will be replaced with the company or your client's name. Now after that I choose, for example, Happy Diwali to Dilip, Happy Diwali to your company. That means here you can add whatever you want, but you need to add the variable name here. That means in our Excel sheet as well, it should be with the same name. The name I gave will appear here, so it will show as Happy Diwali to name at this place. And you can also add a button like button 7, just like we discussed previously. If you want to say something like Happy Diwali too, you can add that as well. Once you've decided what you want to say, just click on create. So it also goes to the pending section, and after some time, it moves to approved. After that, we can run campaigns. This is after it gets approved. Now again, we are coming to the campaign section for sign dynamic campaigns. Here, click here and we need to give some name, dynamic 1. You select one dynamic. Look at the dynamic campaigns. All these are checked as sendable, and that's when we ran it. Yeah, send. After doing this, you can see the contacts here, and you can also download the template file. And I already have how to enter it. So I will enter my detail. From there, a valid 12-digit mobile number has been received, and next, compose the message. You need to check here. The Diwali I saw was just an image. Here on top, you can see one has been added. There, under select variable 1, I have already given the name and roles, so it shows the name and roles I provided. So here it goes with the name, doctor names, and in the name place, their name will appear. Also, when I click on sign campaigns, it goes to them. In the same way, I have shown you all about dynamic campaigns in this type. Okay, now we have learned how to set up a dynamic campaign alarm, right? Now, how do we create a chatbot? How can we set up automation messages to be sent whenever someone messages? We are going to learn about that now. Look here. Now we have come to the first multiplex section. Just like in the template section, there are quick reply buttons, right? There, near the quick reply button, we need to enter our information. We will show you watch how the quick reply buttons look. Here, when we click on the add buttons, the click reply button appears, right? When you click the quick reply button, it asks for the button name here. For example, if I enter I will join, it will be set as I will join. There's no need to enter any URL or number there. Now, if anyone clicks join, the message will be sent to us. So it will appear as if we have given some reply there. It will also show you how it looks. Take a look. Now, if we go to our inbox section, look here. In the inbox, first of all, we ran a campaign. There, if we give the button I will join and someone clicks on I will join, we have set it up so that a type of message is automatically and directly sent to them through automation. Now let's learn how to create this. For that, first of all, we need to create a chatbot. Look here. We can just provide the name I will join or the keyword I want to join. If we enter that keyword, then we can set up the message we want to send there. Like here, see, you can give any name to the create bot, for example, Bhagavat. Since it's already there, should I put Bhagavat? Okay, I want to give the keyword world Maya, so I'm entering that as the keyword. So here I am setting the mode to I will time send you. For RL Cine, if you set a keyword, you can make it so that whatever you enter for each message, it will go through, right? So next I'm clicking. When I click, look here. You can set the message user input button to anything you want. Now we are sending a message. So we need to preview a text message. There it says Happy Diwali too. Now this message. Now this message will go to everyone. If anyone clicks the button there and if you assume it comes down here, there will be a save option. Let's say we click this same one. Now the creator has successfully created this chatbot. Now if anyone comes to your chat, likes the page and clicks on shining or something similar, they will receive the message. You can set the Happy Diwali to you type of message and you can provide your URL in that place near the chatbot. See this example. There's a news type message. It will be sent at this time. Everything is clear. So if you understood but still want more clarity about the chatbot, we will explain it even more clearly. Okay, now we've learned how to create a chatbot, right? Now let's see how to view all the reports. Let's take a look at all the data at once. Also, we'll show you the campaigns as well. Literally, once we run a campaign, say we send it to 256 members, out of those 148 members fail to receive it for some reason. But in such cases, our money does not get deducted, that money gets credited back to us. That's the best option with WhatsApp right now. If we go into billing subscription here, we can see all the data very clearly. Look here at the heart of it. First of all, for campaign refunds, the amount that was deducted and also the amount that gets credited back for all the failed messages. So in our campaigns, that amount will be shown in the available funds. In this way, the amount gets credited back to us. Here you can go to the report section if you want to download any data. Also, if you go to the campaign section here, you can see it directly within the campaigns. You can check the download report and download status in this way. You can clearly see all the data. It will be like this. Okay, you understood, right? In this way, we can run campaigns, we can check the data, and that's all. Okay, thank you from my end.